How to delete a Facebook page. To delete a Facebook page, go ahead and then launch the Facebook application. Then when you launch the Facebook app, make sure that you log in using your Facebook page and not your personal profile. So here you can see when I come to the menu icon, I'm logged in with my page as my page shows there. Now you tap the gear icon from the top right, which will just take you to your settings and privacy page. From this page, you just have to scroll down and just look for an option under your information that says access and control. So just tap on it. Then from here, select the option called delete page. And when you select delete, this is a permanent process, right? You'll have some days to change your mind. But once you select that and tap on continue, and then you confirm the changes by entering your password, then your Facebook page will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Facebook page. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.